Today, I just got a quick update for you and testing out some new stuff, so stick around. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Home Built Workshop. I hope you, everyone is doing awesome today. Well, really, I just wanted to make a quick video, come on here and just let you know that I had a project video all planned. Most of it's filmed, most of it's edited, but there's one little piece that I wasn't able to get done through some unfortunate circumstances. Don't worry, nobody's in trouble or anything here. It's just one step of the process that I need a hand with, and I'm not able to get that done in time to get the video out for you guys to check out. Just kind of an unfortunate thing. As much planning as I try to do to keep videos always in process, once in a great while, there's just something that pops up that changes those plans. And at the moment, I'm in the middle of this new project that is delayed and putting together the acoustic guitar, neither of which I'm going to have ready by the time this video comes out. So I thought that this might be a good opportunity to test out a new microphone system and just kind of let you guys know what's going on here around the shop. For years, I've been using this shotgun microphone and this thing works awesome. But if you've watched any more than a couple of my videos, you'll know that there's a lot of outside noises that I just can't keep out of the video. You'll hear lots of cars and airplanes and all kinds of stuff. So in an effort to try to improve the audio, I decided to get a wireless lapel mic system. So hopefully it sounds good, because that's what you're hearing right now. I don't plan on retiring this thing anytime soon because it does work awesome and I will still probably use it quite a lot. This is a Rode VideoMic Pro, I believe it is. Don't quote me on that. I'll double check, and I'll put a link down below too if you want to check this out. But this thing has been great. But now I'm trying out, this is a DJI wireless microphone system, and hopefully it sounds good. So I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of the audio? Can you hear other outside noises? Maybe, hopefully not as much as you can with this. I know I can hear cars here and there in the background here in the shop. Hopefully the audio is coming through and it's going to be a little bit better overall as I use this to make the videos, trying to improve your quality of viewing for the projects. As far as the acoustic guitar goes, if you saw last week's video, you'll know that I got this thing all polished out. Nice gloss on there. Hopefully you can see a little bit of shiny to it. I've been working on this other project which was planned for this weekend, so now that that's delayed, I'm going to be gluing this in place, getting this guitar assembled, and start working on that. So really, like I said, I just wanted to take this opportunity and let you guys know kind of what's going on, and also get your feedback on the audio from this microphone. I've got a couple different options right now. I have a specific lapel mic on here, but I don't have to use that. I can also use the little wireless mic thingy and put it up here. I've been testing that out in some of my Wednesday live streams. It seems like it's going to work just fine, but really, I just want to try this, get your thoughts. Hopefully things sound better, because I want to try to use this for all the videos moving forward. Anyway, just a quick update to let you guys know what's going on. One other thing that I want to let you know really quick is recently I was asked if I could create a playlist of all the different videos where I have built jigs and tools specific to building guitars. Well, I've created that playlist. I'll put a link down below in the description if you want to check that out. This playlist goes back several years, actually probably 5 or 6 years. It features videos where I've created jigs, fixtures, tools, all different things related to the craft of building electric as well as, most recently, acoustic guitars. So you'll find all of that in that playlist. If you're looking to build some specific tools, hopefully I've got a video in there that helps you out, but link down below in the description, you can check out that playlist. I'm gonna get out of here now and get to working on this acoustic. So I hope you all have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time.